of work. I'm going to this place called French Karib. It's amazing Caribbean food. I'll leave a link in the bio if you want to get good Caribbean food in Paris. This week work-wise has just been like a lot, but productive. There's so much going on just with like work, South by Olivia, life, you know. I just can't wait to tell you guys everything and once it's done. But yeah, it's been really hard, just staying on top of everything and like trying to keep it all together. Bonjour tout le monde. So today is Tuesday. It is like snowing. Like the weather had started to get a little bit nice like end of January, and now it is like full on snowing. It was so cold yesterday and like I don't want to go, but I have to go mail package and then I'm gonna go to work. But yeah, it's a blizzard outside and I was not prepared for it yesterday. I like did not think it was gonna snow, because like they say that sometimes and it doesn't, but like it did. So yeah, now it's snowing. I have zero motivation to leave the apartment, but yeah, the show must go on, right? I'll see you guys later. It's like really like snowing out here. Voila. I'm walking to the office. I just left DHL and mailed my stuff. Yeah, it's like really cold. I don't understand this. Donc, the nuage is not cute, so it's really not. I have an umbrella on because it's like I'm walking to this store that Mishi told me about. Remember my cousin Michelle came to stay with me? She told me about this really good like kitchen place, and I figured out like, because when I was with her we were like taking the metro and walking a lot, and I figured out it's actually like really close walking from my job. So it's my lunch break right now, so I'm gonna go there really quick. Let's see. It's not cute. But yeah, I will tell you guys once I get there. It's so cute. I feel like I forgot that I was in Paris for a little while. Like, I know that sounds so dumb, and you guys are gonna be like, what do you mean you forgot you were in Paris? But like, I'm naturally a workaholic, one. So I get really caught up in work and like, you know, that. And then, yeah, I just, you know, you forget where you are, and I'm like, I'm in Paris. Like, I need to like take advantage of this stuff and like walk around on my lunch break and see everything. So here we are. So beautiful. But yeah, I'll see you guys once we get there. This place looks so cool. This weather is not cute. Like, why? Okay, I'm over it. They did not salt the street. Like, how am I supposed to walk down here? I think I'm just gonna walk in the middle of the street, actually. Oh my gosh. It's good lighting though, I will say that. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm in the street. Hey guys. Guess who's late? How beautiful is this? We're doing a shoot here. This is gorgeous. So we just did a shoot. It was really good. I'm really happy. The snow is so beautiful in Paris. Like, it's just such a fun little like thing. I can't wait to show you guys the pictures. À tout à l'heure.